Hey guys, Dr. Shelly here, and this is Megan, and we wanted to just jump on here to let you guys know that we might be having a hurricane again, even though it's a beautiful day today. But we thought it would be really important for you guys to know about how to prepare for a hurricane in a healthy way instead of going and buying all the junk food, because most of it's non-perishable. And Megan is a certified nutritionist. She is amazing. She knows more about food than anyone I know. She's basically a food expert. So I thought that she could help give us some tips on how to prepare for a hurricane. So what are your biggest tips as far as what foods to stock up on?
Absolutely. So I always recommend that people stock up on things like healthy beef jerky. So there are brands like Epic Bars or Chomps or Paleo Valley. You can find those if you're local at a health food store. So Love's here in Port Orange is great, or Debbie's. Also, Publix and Walmart carry the Epic Bars. So you can find those. And I think Chomps now is becoming popular even at some of the gas stations. So you can find those pretty readily available.
Can you get them on Amazon?
Oh, Amazon for all things. Yes, don't worry. You can find all that stuff on Amazon. Other good options would be bars that are like nut-based. So if you want to try like some Lara bars or bulletproof bars, or Julian's Bakery has some paleo bars, they are awesome. Yeah.
So what about water?
Yeah.
I know that's a tough one because that's the first thing to go. Toilet paper and water in grocery stores. So what water do you buy to prepare for? Because you're a hardcore prepper. I mean, she's got like 2 refrigerators in her house. But what do you do? What do you do about water?
Yes. So for water, you have a couple different options. I personally think that the most affordable thing is to invest. So I have like gallon glass jugs, and then I take those to Publix and fill up with our reverse osmosis. So I have like 4 of them to get me through a scenario. If you don't have that, that's fine. You can certainly find good brands. So Mountain Valley is awesome. Their water comes in glass bottles.
It's my favorite.
It's my favorite too. It's so great. Sometimes people get frustrated though because glass is obviously heavy and kind of hard to lug around. If that's the case and you have to buy a plastic water bottle, I always say look for like the thicker plastic ones. So like Dasani, Smart Water, brands that have like the thick plastic. Don't go for the cheapy ones that like, you know, you can crinkle up by like squishing them. Not great. You're going to have plastic in your water. Yeah.
That just about sums it up. Protein bars, beef jerky, and water. And
yeah. If you're like me, buy some canned sardines. They're the best. But I know most of you won't do that.
Oh, man. Do you have any other tips that would help people to prepare for a hurricane?
Oh, that is a great question. I don't know, what kind of snacks will you have on?
I mean, basically, whenever there's a hurricane and I know that you have to stock up on non-perishable foods, I mean, I just plan on living on supplements for a couple weeks. So I basically stock up on, I mean, standard process is my go-to, and I just make sure that, I mean, you can live on supplements for a week or 2. I don't recommend that. You kind of need food, but I mean, I definitely always have supplements on hand because a lot of non-perishable foods don't have a lot of vitamins and minerals in it. So if you want to stay healthy through a time like a hurricane, it's really important to take your supplements.
Yes, absolutely. And a couple other things that just came to mind too are that you can also buy things like organic kale chips or plantain chips. You can buy some apples and then have some almond butter on hand. There are plenty of things. So like the good thing is like fruits, you know, typically like they don't have to be refrigerated. They're easily accessible. I know I stocked up this morning on like some avocados too that I could always eat with like some paleo crackers and my beef jerky. So then I make sure, you know, I've got the fats, I've got the protein, I've got the carbs. You know, there's plenty of options, guys, of things that will last through any kind of storm.
So we're all going to Megan's house if this hurricane actually hits.
Yes.
But if you guys have any questions or if you need any guidance on any of this, anything to do with nutrition or staying healthy naturally, reach out to us. This is what we live for. We love this. Even if we're going through a hurricane or COVID or whatever else hits us, you know, in this world, we are here for you guys. So
yeah, absolutely. Ask questions. We are here.
Very cool. I think that's it.
I think so.
All right. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you in the next video.
Bye.